you for the memories, memories, yeah, yeah, yeah. See, you don't even know how I feel about you. You don't even know that I care about you. Baby, let me show you how I feel about you. Baby, let me show you.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ella, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve this high cute ninja top knot using a braiding hair. Yeah, of course we are using a braiding hair. So without talking much guys, let's just get right into this video. And please, like, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Like, support your girl, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload new video you will be the first person to get notified. Yes, so right now let's get right into this video. Like seriously guys, I feel like I need to go somewhere right now. Like tell me, who am I? Who am I right now? Who am I? I feel like I honestly need to go somewhere right now. And yeah, I can't just lay like this and be at home all alone. No, it's not gonna happen, baby. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to kind of, you know, film this makeup look, and I regret not filming this look right now. But comment down below if you want to see a tutorial on this look, and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. If you want to see more, let me know on this comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to support your girl, and also turn on your notification bell. Hook me up on Instagram and on Facebook. I'll be leaving my link down below, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Always stay beautiful, and bye.